Today is Lionel Messi's 39th birthday. 2 days ago, at 38, he scored in a World Cup. The world stopped. Most professional footballers retire by 33. Their knees give out, their speed drops, their reaction time slows. That is just biology. That is what science says should happen. So what was Messi doing at 38, still scoring in a World Cup, and turning 39 today, still in the tournament? What is Cristiano Ronaldo doing at 41, scoring in his 6th consecutive World Cup, a record no human being has ever touched? This is not luck. This is not motivation. This is hidden biology. Your body peaks athletically somewhere between 26 and 28. After that, your fast twitch muscle fibers, the ones responsible for explosive speed and power, begin to shrink. You lose roughly 1% of muscle mass every year after 30. Your VO2 max, which is how efficiently your body uses oxygen during exercise, drops steadily. Your tendons stiffen. Your recovery window stretches longer. For most athletes, this is the end. But Messi and Ronaldo never got that memo. Here is what researchers at the Barcelona Sports Science Institute discovered. Elite athletes who train consistently for over 15 years develop something called neuromuscular efficiency. Their brain and their muscles build communication pathways so deep and so precise that even when raw muscle mass begins to decline, the signal from brain to body becomes faster and more accurate. They do not need to be the strongest. They need to be the most precise. And precision only gets better with time. Think about what Messi does differently now compared to when he was 22. He does not run more. He runs less. But every single movement he makes counts. Researchers call this movement economy. His body has spent 2 decades learning exactly where to be before the ball arrives. His brain processes the game roughly 250 milliseconds faster than an average professional player. That is not a metaphor. That is a measured biological advantage built through repetition. Ronaldo is a different machine, but built through the same obsession. At 41, Ronaldo's testosterone levels are monitored and optimized through elite medical protocols. His sleep, documented in interviews with his personal trainer, runs in 90-minute cycles multiple times per day. Sleep scientist Dr. Matthew Walker has shown that growth hormone, which repairs muscle tissue, is almost entirely released during deep sleep cycles. Ronaldo does not sleep 8 hours straight. He sleeps in perfect 90-minute recovery windows. His body is rebuilding itself around the clock. And then there is inflammation. This is where most aging athletes lose the battle quietly. Every sprint, every tackle, every jump creates micro tears in muscle fiber. In your 20s, your body clears that inflammation overnight. By your late 30s, that clearance slows down dramatically. Chronic inflammation builds up. It becomes the invisible wall that stops careers. Messi's anti-inflammatory dietary protocol, redesigned by nutritionist Giuliano Posa, eliminated processed sugar almost entirely from his intake. Sugar is one of the most potent drivers of systemic inflammation known to science. Less inflammation, faster recovery, more games, more goals. But the deepest piece of hidden biology is this. Both of them have something researchers call cardiac remodeling. Decades of aerobic training physically changes the structure of the heart. The left ventricle, the chamber that pumps blood out to the whole body, grows larger and stronger. A trained elite athlete's heart can pump up to 40 liters of blood per minute. The average untrained heart pumps about 5. That means more oxygen reaching muscle cells, more waste cleared, longer time before fatigue shuts the body down. Their hearts are literally built differently now. Decades of training rewired them. At the 2026 World Cup, Ronaldo scored in his 6th consecutive tournament. 6 World Cups. No other player in history has done that. He is 41 years old, and his heart, his brain, his sleep, and his diet have been engineered over 2 decades into something that does not follow the normal rules of human aging. And Messi, the man who was told at 11 years old that his growth hormone deficiency would end his career before it started, turned 39 today, still competing at a World Cup, still scoring, still rewriting what the human body is supposed to be capable of. He did not defy biology. He mastered it. And that is the most unstoppable thing any human being can do.